YouTube marketing for beginners. Everything you need to know to start marketing on YouTube. Is YouTube right for your business and for marketing your business? I bet every business owner has this question on their mind. If I use YouTube, is it going to work for me and for my business? You see, I'm only a beginner. If I'm only a beginner, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to talk about. I don't know how to be exciting. I don't know how to be engaging. And these are all problems that I thought I had when I first started. You see, when I started on YouTube, I also was a beginner. I had no experience recording prior videos, doing prior interviews on video, even being interviewed by news reporters, by being on TV. No, I had none of that. When I started on YouTube, I was out of law school, I was a new mom, and I was looking forward to promoting my business, and I was looking forward to answering my client questions. You see, if you've watched this video right here, which I highly recommend that you do, you know that I started on YouTube simply by answering my clients' questions. I needed a place to send them so that they could watch the answer to the question without me having to type out the same answer in an email every day, all the time. Little did I know that answering these questions in YouTube videos would eventually become my marketing platform. I didn't know that starting off on YouTube by answering client questions was going to eventually lead to me doing YouTube on a full-time basis. And when I say full-time basis, I mean I incorporate it into my schedule every week as if it was a full-time job, something that I have to do at least 2 times a week, or at least I have to pump out 8 to 10 videos every 2 weeks or so. I consider YouTube a job to which I am committed. And the reason I am is because YouTube works. If you are a beginner and you are wondering if YouTube marketing is going to work for you, please, please, please take my word for it when I tell you that it will work for any kind of business. At first, I thought, hurdle number 1, I'm not exciting, I sound really boring, I don't know where to sit, I don't know how to position the camera, I don't know if I need lighting, and I know that these are all challenges that you yourself are facing. So if you scroll down into the link below, you will find a resource that is going to help you with starting off on YouTube. Now, if you want done-for-you services, then you are in the right place, because we have done-for-you YouTube services where all you have to worry about is putting your pretty face on the camera and we will do the rest. But scroll down into the description for more on that. So in this video, I am going to cover the top 3 challenges that most YouTubers think they are going to face when starting off on YouTube as a marketing beginner. How to position the camera. When you position the camera, it should be either right in front of you or at a little bit of an angle. If you notice in some of my videos, I actually like to turn my body a little bit at an angle so that I am not exactly in front of the camera. Now, if you look back to some of my older videos, which I will show you right here, I had no idea what I was doing. I just put the camera up, I was sitting in an office chair, I made sure that my diploma was in the background to give my videos legitimacy. Now you can see that I am using a green screen, and I love using a green screen because then I can change the background. I like the look and feel of being able to do different things that either bring out certain colors that allow for more creative options. So anyway, the way you position your camera is not as complicated as it may seem. Now I stand up when I do my videos as opposed to sitting down, which you can do too. So actually what I do is I position the camera first on my desk, and then I stand in front of the camera, and then I either stand at an angle on this side or stand at an angle on this side. So the second challenge that I had to overcome was, what equipment do I need? Do I need some special lighting? And so when I first started, I had no special lighting at all. I have some shutters right in front of me also behind the camera, and so I would open the shutters and I would let light come in. So as long as people could see my face, I was completely okay with creating the videos just like that. Now I have upgraded to 2 studio lights, which I will link right here and down in the description, just in case you guys want to go out and get yourself a set of lights. And I've had them for a really long time. They've held up really, really well. It's a set, so there's 2 of them. And then I also have this green screen behind me. This is the typical setup for me now, is the 2 lights, and then me placing the camera right in front of me, and then me angling my body according to how I want to appear on camera. And again, these are all beginner questions and beginner challenges, because most of you who are advanced or who have been creating YouTube videos for a really long time might not even have this issue. Heck, if you're advanced, you probably have videos that are 10 times better than me. I've seen some videos on here, like this channel that is super cinematic. It's like you're watching a movie. What do you think? Should I start creating cinematic type of content for these educational style videos that I create, or is this okay? Tell me in the comments below. Anyway, the third challenge that you might be facing if you're a beginner wanting to start off on YouTube is, what in the heck am I going to talk about? Again, when I first started my channel, I had no idea that it was going to turn into a long-term deal for me. I simply started answering client questions. Maybe you're in a position where you can answer some client questions as well. Maybe you're in a position to just teach people something. Just imagine teaching your young child about what it is that you offer, whether it be a product or whether it be a service. Start at step 1, graduate to step 2, to step 3, to step 4, and throw out bite-sized pieces of information in your YouTube content. When you do that, it allows people to digest the information and to learn about what you're teaching them in bite-sized pieces. Nobody wants you to explain everything there is to know about trademark law or about any type of complicated issue or matter or service or product all in one sitting. People don't want to sit in front of a YouTube video for an hour because they're going to be overwhelmed, and then guess what? They're not going to hit subscribe, they're not going to come back to your channel, they may not call you for a consult, and they may never want to see you again, and that is not what you want. You want people to stay on your channel, you want people to watch the video from beginning to end, and so you want to make sure that you're offering content that is digestible. But I wasn't really thinking about what are people gonna say about the content that I'm informing them of, because I have very, very specific content. It's related to entrepreneurs, small businesses, how to grow on YouTube, trademark law, marketing, product reviews, and so for me, there was no concern about, are they gonna like this? That's why I offer different product reviews, because I know that as an entrepreneur, if I like these things, maybe you're gonna like them too. And guess what? I include links to everything down in the description of every single video, so make sure to check out whatever it is that I'm talking about in future videos that you might watch. So get over this hump of, I'm not gonna sound good, I'm not gonna look good, what are people gonna say? You just have to get over it. You can't think about that when you're trying to market your business or your product or your service on YouTube. The fact of the matter is that there's an audience for everyone. So if you're willing to take the chance of massive success on YouTube, or making a 6 or 7-figure income on YouTube, heck, even a 5-figure income, 4-figure income, then make sure that you continue to watch these YouTube marketing videos and that you scroll down into the description so we can help you. So if this video was helpful, make sure you give me a thumbs up, because I want you to keep watching my videos and I want to keep showing up in the algorithm. And make sure that you hit subscribe. And tell me what you want my next video topic to be on. I want to make sure that I am serving you, the entrepreneur, the small business owner, the medium-sized company. I want to make sure that your marketing skills are everything you need them to be. And if I could do it on YouTube, then I know you can do it too. Scroll down into the description, let me know what you want the next video to be on.